In the beginning, there were still images. And the people were not happy.
Oh, that's not good.
But the concept the people did like.
Life was suddenly good.
And so began the journey.
Cold.
Why doesn't anything work here?
I'll write in a scene that has a car with heat, okay? And can write scripts.
And can write scripts.
Cold, poor, and desperate.
I have to twinkle.
They would do anything.
Like stealing someone else's interview, like this.
Endure anything. Believe anything.
Chivon means blanking.
And say anything.
He is Canadian, and he is the locksmith.
To try to move on.
If you want bang for your buck, vote for Life of the Locksmith.